Ferrari 488 Pista Prototype drive, hand-soiling straight-line performance. Ferrari's award-winning 3.9-liter flat-plane crankshaft V8 is the star. Independent studies confirm that Lotus Elise drivers are 221.6 times more likely to spontaneously dispose of light-colored undergarments after driving on curvy roads. That's because the weight distribution of a mid-engine car encourages novice drivers to inadvertently ask the rear wheels to pass the fronts in the middle of a corner. Adding insult to staining, the layout's resulting low polar moment of inertia ensures that this rotation happens more quickly than the average person's sphincter-startle clench reflex. The flip side is that even the most powerful mid-engine cars have enough weight over their rear wheels to make straight-line acceleration a worry-free affair. Well, they used to. Full throttle acceleration in the Ferrari 488 Pista is genuinely terrifying. Wheel spin is a genuine threat at any road legal speed, and when that happens, its rear end steps out with the same violence as the car accelerates. And that is saying something. The 488 Pista is diabolically quick. Like, hallelujah, hold on tight, praise the Lord, scream like a child and slap your mama quick. Or, in slightly more objective terms, the Ferrari's claimed 7.6 second sprint from a standstill to 200 km per hour, 124 miles per hour, is but 0.3 seconds behind that of the 1000 horsepower Bugatti Veyron 16.4. When we say quick, we mean quick. Perhaps too quick for the road, so it's a good thing the car is literally named after the track. The Pista is the latest in the lineage of harder-core Ferraris that began with the 360 Challenge Stradale. The 360 CS, like the F430 Scuderia, Team, and 458 Special, that followed, was a little quicker than the regular car, a little more devoid of creature comforts and a lot louder. The same basic recipe applies to the 488, though in its transition from GTB to Pista, say Pista, its engine gets a bigger power boost than any of its predecessors. Boasting 720 metric horsepower, or 710 American ponies, the Pista makes 49 horsepower more than the already absurdly powerful 488 GTB. The expected weight savings measures are also present, accounting for a claimed 198-pound reduction in total mass. 10% stiffer springs and recalibrated magnetorheological dampers offer tighter body control, and Michelin Sport Cup 2 tires conspire with those changes to generate massive cornering grip. But more on that later. The star of this prototype preview drive was the engine, Ferrari's award-winning 3.9-liter flat-plane crankshaft V8. Ferrari claims that half of the engine's functional parts are new compared with the F154 CV engine in the 488 GTB, enough to merit it a new code. Say hello to the F154 CD. The revised engine weighs 40 pounds less, and Ferrari claims that it has 17% less rotating inertia thanks in part to a lighter flywheel and crankshaft, titanium panel connecting rods and hollow intake valves. The engine breathes cooler air thanks to intakes that have been relocated onto the rear deck, out of the path of the hot air coming from the front-mounted radiators. A new carbon fiber intake plenum has 60% shorter runners. Recontoured camshafts provide for 1 mm of additional valve lift and freer flowing. Ultralight Inconel tubular exhaust headers replace the GTB's heavy cast manifolds. Bore and stroke are unchanged, but the F154 CD receives new pistons that bump compression 0.2 point to 9.6 to 1, and ignition timing is advanced by 2 degrees.